202. And there goes whatever number that is, I can't see. I don't think it says the number. No, I can't see the number on that, but if anyone wants to shed some light, please do. And someone's playing copyrighted music right next to us. Never mind, they've gone. 208 to Toten Lane. Dinnerminton, I think. Or diner, I don't know how you say it. And the tram to Clifton South as once Phoenix Park leaves. 221. $2.10. Sir Jess Boot? I don't know. Oh, there's the I4. How lovely. There we go, Indigo alert. '18's off, so as the 18 leaves we have a Toten Lane service arriving as well as a group of MMCs there. 217. There's a main line. Carl Froch MBE, and there's one on the other side as well. And this will probably be the final tram because it is raining. Tram to Hucknall. It's got a name, I can't read it. I haven't got my glasses on. And it's on the other side. 203. Name's on the other side of the train, so I couldn't read it. The tram, sorry. Oh, Bendigo Thompson. Right, here's a Cockgrave. They look nice. I like them, they look quite nice. And then we have, oh, I think we have a, is it a Solar? A Solar on L94 up there on Skylink. And then Indigo and I4. Very nice. Right, well here comes what I presume is an omnidecker, but I could be wrong. On the 48 to somewhere. Clifton. Hot Gray's sat there. MMC group's over there. Right, here's the main line. Right, this is now going to be the final tram, unless that one on the other side departs first. Well, 225 to Clifton South. There isn't one there yet, but there probably will be. 225 Clifton South. Some of these make a hell lot of noise when they come in, like, oh. Deliveroo. There's so many of them. Oh, and I couldn't see the name, but it'll be caught on video, so don't worry. And this probably is the end of buses and trams at Old Market Square as the I4 turns itself around there. And there's the Indigo and Skylink.